Okay, question number 6 in the exercise 9.8. Listen, my dear student, it is similar to the previous question. Our aim is to find out the area of the region bounded by y equal to tan x and y equal to cot x between x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2 and y equal to 0. Listen, my dear student, cos, sine curve, cos curve, tan, cot, they are well known things because it already present in 4th chapter. So this is the curve y equal to tan x. So it is asymptotic to x equal to pi by 2 and minus pi by 2, x equal to pi by 2 and x equal to minus pi by 2, remember it. And cot x means this is the curve y equal to cot x, it is similar, just opposite to that one. Okay, so we need y equal to 0 means x axis, this is y equal to 0. So our aim is to find out the area of the region between these two curves, y equal to tan x, y equal to cot x, and y equal to 0 means x axis, this region. Okay, so as like the previous one, so this is the meeting point in first quadrant for what values tan x and cot x are equal, obviously 45 degree. Okay, so x equal to pi by 4, so this is the region, and the lower limit is this is that. So what we have to put, we have to integrate up from 0 to pi by 4. Okay, and this question we are not going to apply above, below, right or left. Okay, so listen, this is 45 degree and this is 0 and it is 90 degree, pi by 2. So look at here, 0 to 45 we are going to consider only the tan x curve, and 45 to 90 we are going to consider only the cot x curve. So it is different one. The required area of the region, the required area of the region is equal to, listen, 0 to 45 we are going to consider only tan x curve. Okay, so again it is above the x axis, so y dx, here y is tan x, so tan x dx plus integral 45 to 90, again we are going to consider cot x curve, we are separately taking as a single curve. Okay, so it is cot x dx, very simple one. I think all you know what is the integration of tan x and cot x. This tan can be sine by cos. So the differentiation, we are going to use the formula integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x. Okay, I think already present in 11th standard. So integration of tan x is log of secant x. Okay, and integration of cot x is log of sin x. Okay, pi by 4 to pi by 2. So it is very simple one. So now upper limit log secant 45, secant 45 is root 2. Okay, minus lower limit secant 0 1, so log 1. Okay, plus log of sin 90, sin 90 is 1, so log 1 minus lower limit. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2, so log of 1 by root 2. Okay, this log 1 minus log 1 cancel, log of root 2. Okay, this can be written as log of root 2 power minus 1, it becomes log root 2, this minus into minus plus log root 2. Okay, so log a plus log b, log ab, so it becomes log of root 2 into root 2, log 2. So this is the answer for question number 2. In all the things you can put square units because they are asking area. So in all the problems put square units. Okay, question number 7 in the exercise 9.8. The question is find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square equal to x and the line y equal to x minus 2. Listen, it is very simple one, standard parabola. Y square equal to x means parabola open rightward, we can draw it directly, and equation of straight line. So if we want to draw the straight line means again mark the x intercept on y intercept. By putting y equal to 0 we are getting x equal to 2. Okay, and putting x equal to 0, we are getting y equal to minus 2. If we join these 2 points, we are getting the straight line. So this is the shaded region. Our aim is to find out this is one. So here we need the y limit. We are going to solve with respect to y, because look at here, look at the shaded region allow. Right side straight line present and left side parabola present. We are going to apply right minus left. Okay, xr minus xl into dy. Okay, right minus left. So for that one we need y limit. So equate both the things. So what is that? If we equate, what is that? Y square equal to y square minus y equal to 0, y into y minus 1 equal to 0. So y equal to 0 or, sorry, wait a minute, sorry, here x equal to y plus 2. Okay, so y square equal to y plus 2, y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So addition is minus 1, product is minus 2. So what we are getting? Y minus 2 into y plus 1 equal to 0, y equal to 2 or y equal to minus 1. So this is, if we put y equal to minus 1, we are getting y equal to minus 1, we are getting x equal to 1. If we are getting y equal to 2, x equal to 4. So this point is 4 comma 2 and this point is 1 comma minus 1. Anyway, we need only the y limit. So this is needed minus 1 to 2. We are going to integrate minus 1 to 2, right minus left. Okay. So listen, my dear student, the required area is equal to integral minus 1 to 2 xr minus xl. So right minus left into dy. If with respect to x means yu minus yl. So above, so yu minus yb, above minus below. Remember like that. Okay. So minus 1 to 2. So what is right side? Straight line y plus 2. Okay, y plus 2 minus y square into dy. So very simple integration. So y square by 2 plus 2y minus y cube by 3. Integral minus 1 to 2. First put the upper limit. So 4 square for 2 square 4 by 2 plus 4 minus 8 by 3. So upper limit over minus lower limit. Okay. So minus the whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 2. So minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Okay. So what we are simplifying? So 4 by 2, sorry, we can cancel it, 2 times 6, okay, minus 8 by 3, okay. Here what we are getting? Minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 3, okay. If you want, we can cancel 6. If we sum up these two, minus 9 by 3, so it becomes 3, okay. And what is that? 2 minus 1 by 2 is minus 3 by 2. So 6 minus 3, okay, 6 minus 3 is plus 3, okay, sorry, here plus 3 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is plus 3 by 2. So now 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 plus 3 by 2. So if we take the LCM, we are getting 9 by 2 square units. If you want, you can write 4.5. So 9 by 2 square unit, very simple one. So question number 8 in the exercise 9.8, it is very interesting problem. It looked like difficult but very simple problem. Father of the family wishes to divide his square field bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to 4, y equal to 4 and y equal to 0 along the curve y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4 into 3 equal parts for his wife, daughter and son. Is it possible to divide If so, find the area to be divided among them. So listen. So two curves are given. Y square equal to 4x, parabola open rightward. Okay. So x square equal to 4y, parabola open upward. So he has a square field. Okay. So it is x equal to 4 and this is y equal to 4. It is x equal to 0, y axis. This is y equal to 0, x axis. So this is the square field. Okay. He want to divide this square field into 3 equal parts to his wife, daughter and son. So now we have 3 regions, A1, this is A2 and this is A3. So our aim is to prove A1, A2, A3, all the 3 are equal. Okay. So for that one, first we need to find out the, so obviously this is 4 comma 4. Okay, x equal to 4, y equal to 4, the meeting it is 4 comma 4 and it is 0 comma 0. So no need to solve and find anything. So we can integrate to 0 to 4, very simple problem. Anyway, if we solve, we are getting the same one. Okay, and first to find out the area of the square field. Area of the square field is equal to 4 square. So 16 square units. Keep with us. Okay. Next, area A1. Okay. Equal to integral 0 to 4. A1 means, so listen, above. So this one from 0 to 4. Okay. What is the curve? X square equal to 4y. Okay. X square equal to 4y. So integral x dy. So what is, so x square equal to 4y. So integral x dy. Sorry my dear student, first A1 means between y equal to 0, y equal to 4 and this curve. Okay. What is this? Y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x, y equal to 0, y equal to 4. So x dy. So what is x? X square, x equal to y square by 4. So put it here, integral 0 to 4, 1 by 4 is a constant, y square dy. So 1 by 4 into y cube by 3, 0 to 4. So 1 by 4 into 4 cube by 3. Lower limit 0, that is not there, 1 4. So 4 square, 16 by 3 square units. Okay. So again the area A3. Okay. So we can find out A1 and A3. To find out A2, we can apply between the formula. Otherwise, if we sum of A1 and A3 and subtract from the whole, we are getting A2. Okay. So integral the same. Okay. X equal to 0, x equal to 4. Here x limit. Here we are using y limit. So x equal to 0 to 4. This curve. Okay. What is that? Y dx. Y dx. So from that one, what is y? X power x square by 4. So integral 0 to 4, 1 by 4 into x square dx. So the same, only change of variable does not affect the integral. So if you want, you can put the answer directly, no need to apply this one. But anyway, 1 by 4, x cube by 3, 0 to 4, we are getting the same answer, 16 by 3 square units. Now A2 equal to 16 minus A1 plus A3. Okay. So 16 minus 16 plus 16, what is there? We are getting 32 by 3. Okay. So 32 by 3. So equal to, what is that? We are getting, so 16 minus 32 by 3, take the LCM. So here 48 minus 32 by 3. So again 16 by 3 square units. So we are getting the 3 equal portions, A1, A2, A3 all are equal 16 by 3. So here we have to write, the question is it possible to divide? So here yes, it is possible to divide. Then the question is find the area to be divided among them is all are dividing 16 by 3 square units area. That is the answer for question number 8. So question number 9 in the exercise 9.8, the question is the curve y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 as a minimum point at P. A point Q on the curve is such that the slope of PQ is 2. Okay. The question is find the area of the region bounded by the curve on the chord PQ. Okay. So here my dear student, it is given that as a minimum point at P and the slope is given as 2. So here we have to use the local maxima and minima concept. So y equal to, the given curve is y equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 1. So differentiate, take it as 1 with respect to x. So y dash equal to first 2 into x minus 2. Okay. So equate the first derivative to 0, which implies we are getting x equal to 2. So what is the second derivative? 2. So it is always positive. So when x equal to 2, y double dash greater than 0. So x equal to 2 gives the minimum point. Okay. So x equal to 2 means find out here. So x equal to 2, which implies y equal to 2 minus 2 zeros plus 1. So y equal to 1. So the minimum point is 2 comma 1. Okay. So given that, again it means the curve at Q. Okay. Slope of PQ is given as 2. So slope of PQ is 2. Okay. Already we have the point 2 comma 1. It is the minimum point. It is the point P. So the equation of PQ is, use the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 equal to 2 into x minus 2. So y minus 1 equal to 2x minus 4. So what we are getting? 2x. So y equal to 2x. If we change the side, we are getting minus 3. So y equal to 2x minus 3. It is the equation of. So again, listen my dear student. X square equal to y. It is a parabola open upward, but it is lowest point is 2 comma 1. The minimum point is 2 comma 1. It lies on the first quadrant. So 2 maybe 1, 2 comma 1 here. So parabola open upward and the minimum point is 2 comma 1. So this is P given in the question. Again it means at Q. So this is the chord. So this is the chord given PQ. So just now we found the equation of PQ. So if you want the point Q means, okay, again solve both the curves. So what is that? X minus 2 the whole square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. If we expand and solve, what we are getting this side, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1 is 5. 2x minus 3. X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So x minus 2 into product is plus 8. Addition is minus 2. So x minus 3 into x minus 4 equal, x minus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 2 or x equal to 4. Already it is 2 comma 1. If x equal to 4 means put it here. 4 minus 2. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 5. So this point is 4 comma 5. Q is 4 comma 5. Are you clear? Now our aim is to find out area of the region bounded between the parabola and the chord PQ. So here we are going to use the concept above minus below. We are going to integrate with respect to x. So integral with respect to x means limit 2 to 4. So integral the required area equal to integral 2 to 4. Okay. So above minus below, so upper minus lower into dx. So integral 2 to 4. So above the straight line, so what is y value? 2x minus 3. Below, so this x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 into dx. Okay, so what is that? If you multiply inside, what we are getting? 2x minus minus, so minus into plus, minus 4 plus, minus, if we expand, what we are getting? X minus 2 the whole square. If we expand and simplify, otherwise do it directly. Okay, so do it directly, x minus 2 the whole square. So integral 2 to 4 into dx. So what is that? Again x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 2 into x square by 2 minus 4x minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x minus 2 the whole cube by 3. So limit 2 to 4. If you want, you can cancel these 2 and 2. Okay. So now put upper limit minus lower limit. So if you put upper limit, what we get? 4 square 16. Okay. So minus 4 into 4 minus 16. Then minus 4 minus 2. Okay, 2 cube. So 2 cube is what we are getting? 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 upper limit over. Now lower limit minus 2 square is 4. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Okay. Then what we are getting? 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Okay. So this 16 minus 16 cancel. So minus 8 by 3. 4 minus 8 is minus 4 into minus plus 4. Okay. So what we are getting? If we take LCM, a minus 8 plus 12 by 3. So 4 by 3 square units. So this is the answer for question number 9. Now question number 10 in the exercise 9.8. The question is, find the area of the region common to the circle x square plus y square equal to 16 and the parabola y square equal to 6x. So x square plus y square equal to 16 means 16 can be written as 4 square. So draw a circle of radius 4. So it is 4 and minus 4, and y square equal to 4x is parabola open rightward. Okay. So we need to find out the meeting point. Okay. So we have to change it. Just a slight change. Wait a minute, student. First draw a circle of radius 4 and parabola open rightward, y square equal to 6x. Okay. So this is 4 and minus 4. So we need to find out the whole shaded region. Okay, area between two curves, but we are not going to apply above minus below, right minus left. We are going to find out separately. So if we need to find out this meeting point, so x square equate these two things. From the first one, what is x? What is here? Put it here, y square value. So x square plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, if we equate these two things, so sum is plus 6 and addition is minus 16. Okay, so x plus 8 into x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 8 or x equal to 2. This is not possible because minus 4 to 4 only. So x equal to 2, this value, this is x equal to 2. If you put x equal to 2, y square equal to 12, y equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. Okay, so this point is 2 comma 2 root 3 and this point 2 comma minus 2 root 3. But anyway, these values are not needed. So look at here, 0, this is 2 and 4. Here we are going to do it in a different way. 0 to 2, area by the parabola, only parabola, forget the circle, again find out in the first quadrant it is symmetric about x-axis. Okay, so find out the area in the first quadrant only by the parabola and multiply by 2, we are getting this region, the first region. Similarly, between 2 to 4, area by the circle again in the first quadrant and multiply 2 times. If sum up both the things, we are getting the total area. Okay, so the area, total area is equal to 2 times area lie on the first quadrant. Okay, so 2 times both the things, 2 times integral 0 to 2 y dx, but the y is by the parabola, so y means root of 6 into x power 1 by 2, square root of root x is x power 1 by 2 dx, plus here also 2 times, but I am taken commonly 2 to 4 only by the circle. So what is y value? Y square equal to 16 minus x square, y equal to root of 16 minus x square dx. Okay, so I am writing directly. So 2 into root 6 is a constant, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, so 0 to 2, plus here you need to remember the formula, integral root of a square minus x square dx equal to x by 2. Okay, so x by 2 root of a square minus a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. Okay, remember this formula, integral root of a square minus x square dx equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. So remember this formula. So x by 2 root of here 16 4 square, so 16 minus x square plus 16 by 2. Okay, plus 16 by 2 sin inverse of x by a is 4. Okay, again limit, what is that, 2 to 4. Okay, so 2 into it goes to the numerator, so 2 root 6 by 3. Okay, first put upper limit, 2 power 3 by 2 is 2 root 2 minus lower limit 0, that is not needed, so 2 root 2 plus again put the upper limit 4 by 2. Okay, so 16 minus 16 0. Okay, plus 16 by 2 is 8. Okay, 8 sin inverse of 4 by 4, sin inverse of 1. Okay, so upper limit over, now put the lower limit, so minus 2 by 2 is 1, root 16 minus 4 root 12. Okay, so plus 8 into sin inverse of 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 into multiply inside, so 2 into 2 4, this root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Okay, root 2 into root 3, so it becomes 2 into root 2 into root 2, so it becomes 8 into root 3 by 3, I am writing directly. Okay, plus what is that, sin 8 into sin inverse of 90 degree, so pi by 2. Okay, so minus root 12 minus 8 into sin inverse of 1 by 2, so what is that, 30, so pi by 6, so here 2 4 times, so 2 times 8 root 3 by 2, 8 root 3 by 3 plus 4 pi, here we can 3 times 4 times 4 pi by 3. Okay, so what we can get, 4 pi minus 4 pi by 3, take the LCM for these two. Okay, so 4 pi minus 4 pi by 3, so 12 pi minus 4 pi by 3, 12 pi minus 4 pi by 3, again if you want you can take the LCM for these two. Okay, if we take the LCM, what we again this root of 12, it is root of 4 into 3, again minus, it can be written as minus 2 root 3, write it in the next step. Okay, so 2 times if you take the LCM for these two one, what we get, 8 root 3 minus 6 root 3. Okay, 8 root 3 minus 6 root 3 by 3. So 8 minus 6 is 2 root 3 by 3. Here 12 minus 4, 8 pi by 3. So if you want you can take 3 in common. So 2 by 3 into 2 root 3 plus 8 pi square units. You have to put square units, or if you want you can take 2 in common. So if you take 2 common, so 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4 pi, 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4 pi square units. So here do it carefully when you are putting upper limit, no problem, minus 0 that is not needed, but here remember this formula and apply the upper limit minus lower limit carefully, and by taking the LCM do it carefully, then only we are getting the simple answer 4 by 3 into root 3 plus 4 pi.